Hey, Drew. Hey, Drew, over here. You gonna put a worm on?
Come here.
Come here, look. Daddy's doing it.
I'm just gonna watch the boy.
Drew, unpacker.
He just caught a weed. He caught a weed.
Mm-hmm.
Granola bar.
No.
Thank you.
Take this.
What's he doing there, Drew?
I'm just.
Alright, Drew.
It's my own room.
Riley, where's your pole?
Uh-oh, watch
Whoop,
it.
whoop. Hold on. Hold on there, wild ass.
Hey guys,
Give me cast it for you?
Hey guys, watch.
Wait.
Hey guys,
Watch out, Grandma.
Boys, watch.
Far enough away.
Nice one.
I think you flung your worm off. Reel it up, we'll put the worm. Come here.
Leave my worm on.
Maybe I'll cast the next one for you, okay?